how to convert a video into 60 fps in Capcut. Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to convert a video into 60 fps in Capcut. Alright, so let's begin with the video. We're going to be discussing how you can convert your videos into 60 fps. Now, the video does not necessarily have to be 60 fps. This is how you can convert it. So basically, here's your video in the timeline. You're done editing and done messing around with it all you want. So all you're going to do now is just go to the export, and over here it says frame rate. So just change the frame rate from this 30 fps to 60. And yeah, that's basically it. Then you're just going to export it and your video is going to be in 60 fps. So that's basically how you can convert a video into 60 fps in Capcut. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.